Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Grow with Sachin Pal. I am Sachin Pal and I hope you all are doing well and you all are able to learn something new on daily basis. Because if you are having the mindset or to achieve great things in your life, so you need to take some consistent action in order to achieve that goals or dream. And I came here in the field side of my village. You are able to see this is the S-God crop is growing in this field, and these are growing well. Farmers are working hard to remove the grass near to the plants, S-God plants, and the people who are lazy, who are not taking any action, or who are not removing the grass near to the plants, so grass is going to grow with the good growth, and the plants you are seeds to get benefited, that is, or it is not able to grow in general, we can say. So as you all are well known, like I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself, and in that particular challenge I'm going to create a video blog in spoken English till 100 days. Today is the 76th day of that particular challenge, and today also I want to narrate a story for you all, so you all are able to get some message from that story and you all are able to change your life. Today I came here towards the deep forest of my village. You are able to see there are lots of Indian dates tree are there. I'm trying to go into the deep side of that particular place, and in this particular field you are able to see this is tur dal crop is growing, and here is also the farmer of this crop is also hard working. So the tur plants are able to grow with the good growth, and this is the path from where I came to this side, and this is the adventurous path to get into this place, and this is the place where you are able to see lots of trees are there in, and this is the canal from where the water of rain is passing. These trees are on the both corners of the canal, which is the way of passing the water of the rain. So as I have started storytelling on my YouTube channel, so in continuous on that, today also I want to narrate some story which is having some deep message for you all. If you are going to stay till the end, then definitely you are able to get some deep message, and if you are going to apply that message with you, so you are also able to achieve your growth, or you are able to change your life in a drastical way. So once upon a time there was a young boy who is working the job of a cleaner in Chicago at a railway station, and he is feeling very tired. He is working in night shift. So he used to work hard on the railway station. He didn't want to talk with anyone. He just stay keep silent, and he when he silently doing complaint or talking negative about the things whatever happening in his life, and he is not satisfied with his life. He is feeling lost and he is not able to do anything. He is just sleeping, working, and complaining. He is living very ruined life. He is not able to be happy with someone. If someone is going to say something, then he not want to answer anyone, or he not want to do argue with anyone. Sometimes people are ignoring him, and sometimes some rich travelers or passengers are dropping the empty coffee glass and the wrappers of the food in front of him without saying sorry, but he is not saying anything with anyone. He just started plucking that empty coffee glass and packets of the packed food, and he not saying anything with anyone. One day when he is working, so at the midnight walking towards the platform of the railway station. Then he saw a lady. She is trying to put the books, heavy box of the books, and he saw that particular lady. He is struggling to put that box. So he got there and he asked, "Can I help you in doing particular this work?" So she replied, "Yes, you can help me." So he helped her in doing that particular work or putting that particular box in that particular shelf. So Elena asked with him, "Can I give you something because you helped me?" So he said, "I don't want anything. I just help you because you want someone help. So that's why I helped you." So Elena asked, "Okay, that's totally okay. Are you interested in reading books?" So he said, "The reading books is for the people who are having so much time in their life, and I'm struggling to survive. I'm not having any time to read books. I'm not reading books." So Elena said, "No one is having time for do the extraordinary things. Even they are feeling frustrated or bored while they need to do some meaningful work, which is going to do some add-on in their life. But if you are really want to change your life completely, then you need to take some extraordinary steps to change your life." So she gave she gave a book to the Marco, and you need to spend only 1 hour in each day with consistency. And if you are going to follow this, then you are able to change your life completely. So Marco asked with Elena, like, if I'm going to start reading books for 1 hour, so how it is going to work in order to change my life? So Elena said, for example, if no train is able to reach another country in one jump, it need to pass station by station or step by step. So that same things you need to apply on reaching your goals. You need to take one step, and after a long time you are able to notice like you are able to reach till your goals or ambition, whatever you are having in your life. So he taken that book from Elena, and he keep that book with him. And once when in the morning when he reached to his rented room, he is living in the narrow room of a small street. So when he reached to his room, he opened that book, and first line of that book is that if you really want to change your life, then you need to be consistent. So after that he spent 1 hour and he's feeling bored, but one thing is good, like he's not quit reading 1 hour. He try to learn word by words or general words. Sometimes he's not able to get the message of that particular words or phrases, then he's trying to do search from his old phone, and he downloaded some English story. So he tried to listen that story like daily use words or daily use conversation, and he continues on his journey. So when he is able to speak with someone in English, then he started talking with the passengers, or he started helping them in order to understand the railway map, or if they want to ask anything and they are not able to know the regional language. So Marco is the good person who is easily able to assist them. So he started helping the passengers in order to get their exact railway map or journey map, and also if they want some help, so he started helping them. But he did not quit his job. In the afternoon, when there is no work and all stations are filled with the peoples, then he started helping the peoples or travelers who need his help. One day he helped a lady who lost his wallet, and she is very frustrated because her train is ready to departure. So that's why she is so frustrated, and she is looking here and there. So Marco understand, like she is having some problem. So he goes to that lady and he asked, "Are you need any help? Why you are so nervous, are you having any problem? So that lady said with Marco, like, I lost my wallet somewhere, and as of now I'm trying to find it, but I'm not able to find it. And my train is ready to departure, so if I'm not able to get my wallet, so I'm not having any money apart from my wallet, and my ticket is also in that wallet. So Marco said, no need to be worried about the wallet, and you just need to be calm and start searching your wallet wherever you traveled, or have you sat on any bench. So that lady is able to be calm. Started searching, like, before some time he sat on a bench. So she goes towards that bench, and under that bench her wallet is there. So she is able to find her wallet with the help of Marco. So Marco, then that lady asked, you are good at spoken English, how you learn your spoken English? You need to keep learning it, and you are a very good man. You helped myself in finding my wallet. Thank you so much for helping me. So it appreciate Marco, and it also increase his confidence, like someone praise him for speaking in English. So for a long time he worked as a cleaner also, and he keep started helping the passengers, and after that he buy a little shop on the platform of railway station, and he started a coffee shop and also information desk for the passengers who need his help. And also he make the charging point of the for the mobiles, like the passengers who are not having a good battery in their phones, so they can charge their phones, and if they want some information, then Marco is going to provide them information also, and if they want coffee, so he's going to provide them coffee also. So that's how his life is completely changed. He, as of now, he no need to work as a cleaner. He have a shop, and he is able to earn a good amount of money from that shop. And one day he saw a young boy who sit on the bench of the railway station, and he is having cleaning instruments in his hand, and he also looks like frustrated with his life. He's not feeling good with him. So Marco goes towards him, and he take a coffee with him, and he offer a coffee to that boy. Have you taken any coffee or food for yourself, because you are looks like hungry and frustrated, or you need my help? So that boy said with Marco, what is your name? So Marco said, my name is Marco. And Marco said, asked with that boy, what is your name, young man? So that boy said, I'm Rehan. So Marco asked with Rehan, what kind of problems you are facing in your life? So Rehan said with Marco, like, I'm only working hard, sleeping, and I'm struggling to survive in this world. I'm not able to do something great in my life. So he suggested him also, like, you need to start book reading, and you need to spend at least 1 hour on daily basis, and you need to keep it this journey consistent. Then you are able to notice the changes in your life, and one day if you are going to be consistent, so definitely you are able to achieve your ambition. That is not a big thing. So with the help of Marco, that particular boy is also able to change his life in complete way. So the message of this story is, if you are really ambitious about your life, and if you are really want to achieve your great goals of your life, then you need to make a complete roadmap, and you need to learn or acquire the skill set whatever required in order to get that job with some consistency and discipline, because there are so many people who want to do great things in their life, but they are not able to give continuous efforts or consistent efforts. So that's why they are not able to learn or acquire any skill set, and they are not able to reach somewhere. So I think this story is really helping you also in order to gain confidence in spoken English also, and you are able to get the message of this story. If you are feeling this content is really helpful for you, please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who need these kind of content. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.